Imagine this. Your deployment passes seamlessly, all systems green, and then suddenly, your analytics show unexpected anomalies or model accuracy plummets. This is known as silent failure, and at its core lies an insidious issue called schema drift. Schema drift occurs when there's a disconnect between the expected structure of your database and its actual state. Maybe it's an undocumented hotfix or an unnoticed column drop, but this divergence can silently disrupt deployments without raising alarms. At Glad Labs, we treat continuous integration, SI, as the final checkpoint to catch these silent failures before they reach production. When your schema and database fall out of sync, it doesn't lead to crashes but rather polite failures. Pipelines that run but fill fields with null values where strings or integers should be. Schema Guard is designed to prevent these late-night nightmares by catching unexpected type changes or shifts in nullability that corrupt your data over time, as highlighted by Logiseal. Liquibase points out that such drift often results from a lack of version control or direct manual patches. The stakes are high, not just bugs, but potential data loss and compliance violations. To combat this, we've shifted schema validation from manual checks to an automated blocking gate. At Glad Labs, our rule is simple. CI green equals merge, ensuring no breaking change reaches the main branch. One key strategy is the migration smoke job. We deploy a fresh PG vector/PG vector, PG16 service container, and run all migrations from scratch. If any migration fails, the build stops, safeguarding our baseline schema. For those on different stacks, professional patterns include state-based detection with tools like SchemaSmith, automated validation through platforms like GitHub Actions or Azure DevOps, and snapshot gating to block unauthorized changes. Even robust CI gates can't prevent architectural gaps. We once discovered calculations for word count and reading time were done via string manipulation in application code rather than pre-computed values from the database. The solution was to update the schema itself, ensuring all parts of the pipeline, from backend to SEO generators, rely on a consistent version of data truth. Preventing schema drift means rethinking your database not just as storage but as code. By embracing this perspective, you ensure consistency and reliability in every deployment. In a world where data is king, keeping your schema in check is paramount for seamless operations. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more.